Hello everyone. Today I will walk you step by step through how to backtest using Tradovate. First, you need to activate the market replay feature. Look at the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon to open application settings. Inside this menu, find the add-ons tab. Scroll until you see market replay, then click activate. In some cases, this feature may require a small monthly subscription, but many live funded accounts already include it. Once the feature is active, you are ready to set up your replay session. Go to the top of your workspace and click on your account name. From the drop-down menu, select Go to Replay. A new setup screen will appear. Here, you will choose the start date and time for your backtest. This allows you to go back to a specific moment in the market. Next, set your initial balance. This should match the amount you normally trade with so your results feel realistic. After that, adjust the playback speed. You can keep it at normal speed or increase it to move faster through the data. Now click Start Replay. The platform will create a temporary simulation account for you. As the market begins to play, you can place trades using the DOM or directly from the charts. Enter and exit positions just like you would in live trading. Use the replay controls to pause, play, or change speed at any time. This helps you focus and avoid making decisions based on future knowledge. Keep an eye on your profit and loss as you trade. This will update in real time and help you evaluate your strategy. When you are done, click your account drop-down and select Log Out to exit replay mode. Thanks for watching.